To turn on or off keyboard sounds on Realme GT 7 Pro, first, as you can see, there's no sounds when I press any key on my keyboard. And to activate them, we can go to our settings, move to System and Update, select Keyboard and Input Method, go for your Manage Keyboards and select Gboard. Now we can go for Preferences, and when you scroll down, there's sound on key press. You can also switch the volume for it. And then when we go back and try to type, there's sounds. You can deactivate them the same way, we just enabled it.